The MEW4 Brushless 4X4 RC car is equipped with a special 2835-33350 kV brushless motor, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 26 miles per hour, making it far more efficient than traditional brushed motors. Its extra-long, oil-filled shock design provides 4 centimeters of ground clearance, offering excellent shock absorption for tackling various terrains with ease. This RC car boasts a durable all-metal transmission and a high-quality chassis, enhancing its ruggedness and reliability for off-road adventures. With 2 rechargeable batteries, the car offers a combined playtime of 40 minutes, ensuring longer sessions of thrilling high-speed racing. The vehicle is compatible with many spare and upgrade accessories from third-party brands, making maintenance easy and cost-effective. The MEW4 Brushless 4x4 RC car features a 70% throttle limit switch, which is perfect for new users to quickly get comfortable before unleashing its full power.